Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Ria here. This is the before picture before I did my makeup, and this is the after picture. Stay tuned with me for the whole video to see how I've achieved this makeup look. It is very easy and very quick. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That really means a lot to me. Please like this video and share with your friends and family. Really means a lot to me. Thank you so much for stopping by in my channel. Do consider subscribing it. Okay, we'll start with moisturizing our face. It's very important. It's summer and you should always moisturize your face first. So I will be using this essential face oil from Nykaa. I don't know why I was feeling very dry and rough like we feel in winters, no? I don't know, maybe it is due to the humid weather. So I'm applying this essential oil to soften my skin. I'll be using this foundation from Maybelline Fit Me, and by the help of this wet sponge, apply to my whole face. Now using Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil, I'll be doing my eyebrows because this is not my good eyebrows days and I'm really not getting time to go to the parlor for threading and all. So I need to set it out a bit. I'm trying my level best to set it out. Now this is gonna be this blue makeup. I'm using this pinkish shade as my transition color, applying onto my crease, a bit of up of my crease. Now we'll be applying eyeliner. As I said, this is gonna be a blue makeup, so I'm using blue eyeliner, and the kajal will also be blue because I'm pairing up it with some blue stones jewelry. So I'm keeping everything blue. Now I'll be using this concealer cum foundation stick to give more coverage to my upper lip area and some blemishes, whatever I have, just to cover out that. Now I'll be using this Maybelline blush cum highlighter palette, and using that halka peachy shade I'm just applying onto my chin. I just love this highlighter. ये जो glow आता है ना, बहुत मतलब प्यारा आता है, and it's just to die for. Do try Maybelline highlighter cum blush palette. It's really very beautiful. और आप लोग देख सकते हो कैसा हल्का हल्का shine आ रहा है. So I'm just loving it. Now I'll be using Maybelline mascara, and I'll finish my look with the red lipstick. So just wait for the final looks.